Already for the 26th time in history, the international trade fair Fakuma has welcomed guests from all over the world to Friedrichshafen near Lake Constance.
Wir haben auch in 2018
The fairground of 84,000 square meters is fully occupied, which makes a total of 12 exhibition halls, including Foyer East and West and Passage East. We are counting 1,933 exhibitors from 40 countries, which shows a little increase compared to last time. We are hoping to welcome 50,000 visitors at the Fakuma this year. The fair Fakuma offers a comprehensive overview of various plastic technologies, whether injection molding, in which the Fakuma is in a worldwide leading position, or extrusion technology, thermoforming or 3D printing. Users are able to inform themselves about any relevant topic, like the process, its technology and tools, as well as numerous innovations and highlights presented by the exhibitors.
Ja, wir präsentieren zum ersten Mal hier ein...
For the first time, we proudly present a pure in-mold coating element, which itself already represents a super innovative structure of design, made leather grains in combination with glossy geometrical structures, made together as a whole and shown in one process. This new way replaces the lamination process and also brings the standard of quality onto a new level thanks to the laser texture that replaces the etching process. Therefore, one can no longer distinguish between component and material. It doesn't matter if propylene, PC, ABS or SAA, they all look the same. So this is our innovative concept at Fakuma.
Ja, wir stellen dieses Jahr einen Plastagglomerator.
We are presenting a plast agglomerator, a machine mainly to combine lightweight and fluffy materials to reach a higher bulk density, and also to additionally dose the material onto the extruder of an injection molding machine.
Oder eine Spritzgussanlage zudosieren kann.
Wir haben eine Maschine mit...
We are showing a machine with automatic tool change and automated plate feed using rolls, and we also have a manual machine where you can adjust it all by hand. This is our basic model.
Ja, auf der Fakuma stellen wir Exponate aus.
We are showing various exhibits. On the one hand, the ones who support our strategic market approach, next to the ones already being part of well-staffed market segments like packaging and automotive. On the other hand, something new, the medical area. Our core piece is the Intellects machine, a product of ours which has just launched this year. The machine includes a medical package, and the whole production cell includes the fields of automation, periphery integration and inspection of quality. Visitors from over 120 countries come to the trade fair, which also marks an important key factor for the exhibiting companies at Fakuma.
Ja gut, die Fakuma ist natürlich unsere
Fakuma is our leading fair in the annual schedule, and because we are from here, it's also our home fair. Therefore, it's extra important for us to be here, and we really enjoy it.
Das ist sehr, sehr gern hier.
Yes, for Wemo Group it has always been very important to present some news at the Fakuma, because Fakuma has now become the more international exhibition, and we mainly can visit or meet all our customers in one place.
Ist sehr wichtig, wie Sie sehen heute, es ist sehr viel los.
As you can see, it's very important for us to be here. On busy days like today, we use the time to talk to clients, speak about recent developments and product launches, and as you know, it's always about the personal contact, keeping in touch.
Wichtig und auch, das ist die Fakuma. Man spricht gemeinsam und das ist sehr positiv.
Wir sind im Umkreis von 300-400...
We operate within a radius of 400 kilometers, which means up to Frankfurt and whole Austria and Switzerland. Hence most of our clients come here. It's our goal to look after each of them when they visit us, and also to generate new contacts. And both has been going well so far. We are looking forward to welcome you at the 27th Fakuma.